Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
Stockbrokers Zambia Limited is pleased to present its weekly stock exchange news and market update for the week ended Friday, 6th March 2026. My name is Tundu and I'm anchoring this week's stock market update. The LuSE Stock Market Index Performance. In the trading week ended 6th March 2026, the LuSE All-Share Index closed at 27,027.58 points. On a year-to-date basis, the LuSE Index is up 4.27% in Kwacha terms and up 22.17% in USD terms. In comparison with other African stock markets, the South African Jersey All-Share Index is up 1.48%, whilst the Nairobi All-Share Index is down 0.26%. Gainers and losers in the week. On gainers, Zambru gained 2 Ingwe and closed at 6 Kwacha 77 Ingwe. ZCCM gained 3 Kwacha 18 Ingwe and closed at 170 Kwacha. Zambif gained 1 Ingwe and closed at 2 Kwacha 15 Ingwe. Zambia Reinsurance gained 1 Ingwe and closed at 2 Kwacha 74 Ingwe. Zanaco gained 4 Ingwe and closed at 9 Kwacha 93 Ingwe. And Zambia Sugar gained 2 Kwacha 20 Ingwe and closed at 75 Kwacha. On losers, BATZ lost 2 Ingwe and closed at 14 Kwacha 35 Ingwe. CEC lost 8 Ingwe and closed at 18 Kwacha 36 Ingwe. .com Zambia lost 5 Ingwe and closed at 22 Kwacha. Puma Energy lost 26 Ingwe and closed at 2 Kwacha 74 Ingwe. Standard Chartered lost 39 Ingwe and closed at 1 Kwacha 58 Ingwe. And Zamefa lost 44 Ingwe and closed at 58 Kwacha 95 Ingwe. Total trading turnover on the LuSE in the week was 11.02 million Kwacha, of which CEC contributed 23.78%. The market recorded a total of 3,527 trades in the week under review.
Investors Diary. The Stock Market Investors Diary is brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia. Cautionary announcements.
The following companies have issued cautionary announcements: Standard Chartered, CEC Africa, Zambif, Riz USD, ZCCMIH, and Zafico. For details of these cautionary announcements, please refer to the Stockbrokers Zambia Limited website at www.sbz.com.zm. Other market announcements. The following companies have issued market announcements that can be accessed on the Lusaka Stock Exchange News Service. Zafico, Bata, Puma, CEC, and .com released trading statement announcements. ZCCMIH released a further cautionary announcement. Zafico, BATZ, Standard Chartered, Puma, Airtel, Bata, .com, ACI, Zanaco, and CEC released AGM notices. CEC, ACI, Zanaco, .com, Puma, Bata, Zambia Reinsurance, Airtel, BATZ, and Standard Chartered released full year 2025 abridged financial results. The full announcements can be accessed on the Stockbrokers Zambia website at www.sbz.com.zm.
Understanding the stock market. A brief guidance brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
Hello and welcome to our weekly segment, Understanding the Stock Market. This week we are discussing how to understand financials on the LuSE. What beginners should look out for. When reviewing abridged financial statements for companies listed on the LuSE ahead of an annual general meeting, shareholders should focus on several key indicators that provide insight into the company's financial performance and stability. Firstly, you would like to examine revenue or turnover to understand how much income the company generated during the financial year. Comparing this figure with the previous year helps determine whether the business is expanding or experiencing a decline in sales. Secondly, review the profit after tax. While revenue shows sales activity, profit reflects how efficiently the company manages its costs. Rising revenues alongside declining profits may indicate increasing operating expenses or inefficiencies. Third, consider earnings per share, EPS, and any dividends declared. Earnings per share indicate the portion of the company's profit allocated to each share, while dividends represent the cash return distributed to shareholders. These metrics are important when evaluating shareholder value. Fourth, assess the statement of financial position, the balance sheet, paying attention to total assets and total liabilities. A healthy balance between assets and liabilities can indicate financial stability, while rapidly increasing liabilities may signal growing debt risk. Lastly, review the director's commentary, which provides context on operational performance, key risks, and the company's outlook for the coming year. Together, these elements help shareholders make informed decisions and engage meaningfully during AGM discussions. There you have it. Understanding financial elements help shareholders make financial decisions, even as they seek to grow their wealth gradually, while still managing everyday financial responsibilities. Feel free to visit us at Stockbrokers Zambia Limited and find out how you too can take part in the growth of the Zambian economy via the Lusaka Stock Exchange by buying or selling shares. Have a successful investment week.
Investors should be cautioned that share prices may rise or fall, and therefore should always seek professional advice before investing in shares.
Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.